Hello, welcome to OFC 2026. My name is Robin Grinley. I'm a product manager in the CSG Ethernet switch business unit at Broadcom. And I'm here today to show you some of the products we have on offer. Broadcom is your one-stop shop for all things AI networking. Over here behind me, we have the latest product, our Tomahawk 6. So this is a 102T switch. It is now fully production qualified. The first switch in the market to ramp at high volume at the 102T. So this has front panel pluggable, so you can plug in any type of optics or DAC cabling, LPO optics, full flexibility on the front panel. In another corner over here, we show a Tomahawk 6, the same switch chip, but with our OSD group, they've integrated optics into the package of the switch. And so the whole thing is one integrated package with optics, so you can plug in fibers on the front instead of having front panel pluggable. And then the final thing we have here at the show is around the corner here. This is for our Tomahawk Ultra. So Tomahawk Ultra is a 51.2T switch chip, and it is ultra low latency. It includes features like link layer retry, CBFC, brand new technology that are used for lossless networking, which is what you need for AI scale up. So we have products that are here for AI scale out, AI scale across, and then also targeted on AI scale up, all the ingredients you need for AI networking. So I hope you enjoy the show, and thanks for taking the time to watch.